Hello, my name is Andrew. Here's my little random character generator that I made. It makes the character, but also put a little like battle in there. For the, it's called Earth with aliens. Here I have different functions. One with the for each for the squadron of Earth. Here, like hit points, strength, armor, speed. Put that all just put it each given a random number for the stats. I put it here into a list. Same thing for the aliens, and then here is the function for the battle. Come back to that, but here's the main processor that kind of computed all this. So it started off with getting information. Would you like to continue? Yes. And then here is the actual function for the battle, and then battle results. So here is the actual battle. So it just prints pretty much the stats for the aliens and the stats for the Earth squadron, and then it goes to results, which is up here, battle results, and this is kind of just a quick little true or false. It goes through each of these lists right here and determines, I just put some random stuff in there, like hit points is, if Earth hit points is less than, aliens strength, aliens win that one. And it's going to go through, make a little counter of Earth and alien wins through the if else statements, and then whoever wins, it outputs here, and then it continues from results. It asks if you like to play again, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'll go run it real quick. Ooh, I'm restarted. Okay, so Earth is aliens. The objective is to defend Earth against aliens. What would you like to name your squadron? Call it Eagles. What's your name? Andrew. Welcome, General Andrew. Get ready to meet your squadron. We generate stats for Squadron Eagles. Here's the stats. Would you like to defend Earth? Yes. And then it quickly computes. Here's the battle. Aliens, enemy. Earth defense, squadron. And that shows you Earth exploded. Earth was defeated. And then if you like to play again, yes. Name of squadron. We'll do Falcon. My name. Yes. And alien shifted flow that time. So, and then would you like to battle again? No. And hopefully have a good. That's all my videos.